Here I am. This is a recent order I made. It's a caliper and some other tool here. Not sure exactly what this one does, but interesting. And a stakes kit. I have a star also. This is a star one. Needs a little bit oiling, I think, because it's a little bit harder, and some stakes here also. I will show you mine later, which I have here. And also a micrometer. But I got a little bit surprised because I thought he sent me a wrong piece. Also, he actually gave me this one, and then I found out maybe the reason why he sent it, because it doesn't really work. And this one is stuck. And I tried. The first thing I did was like, maybe I can move it, and then that thing flew away. So it's stuck. So I was thinking how this is supposed to move. It's not supposed to be like this, but I will add some oil here inside and see if I can fix it, or maybe not, but it's completely stuck there. So my either rust or my theory is that this one made it stuck there or something. I don't know, but at least he sent the whole kit here, and I'm very happy because there's some here, as you can see, for free. That's good. All of the other things cost 40, so this one I have been trying to win one of these for months, and hopefully I can fix it. Okay, let's see how that works. Let's hope for the best now. So I managed to remove this one, and 556 helped me, CRC, to remove it, and I think now it will be easier for me to remove it. I have managed to progress a little bit. I will show you. So I was thinking about fixing this one. So 556, and now here we go. It's loose. Here you go. Some very much rust here. That's why it didn't work. Interesting. Hello. So I managed to fix this one finally with some 556, and I think it needs a good clean because it wasn't working so good before, and to be able to have it functional, it's important to give it the treatment it really deserves. So I guess I want to see if I can. I'm not sure about this, but I want to see how it works now after my changes. So we should be able to do something like this, I think. here. I forgot a little thing here at the side, but that's okay. Now it's like that. Actually, there's another one here. I will show you. This is advanced. This is so here we have it, something like this, right? Still it's, this one is a little bit weak, but let's see. Yep, here you go. There's another, like a stake here. Now at least it works again. But cleaning and oiling, essential for maintaining the tools, is important. Of course it is. Great. I think I'm happy now, and we managed to fix it. Just wanted to show you that. Thank you so much. Take care. Why not? Go. It protects and will maintain it, so why not? Right. Right. A little bit on. Sorry, some plastic stains here. It's not so good. There you go. Now it's much better. There you go. Thank you for watching this video, and I'm happy I received this one SEITZ tool from this kind gentleman for free, and now I think we have one working. Take care, everybody. Hello, so I'm happy to see you again, and this is the SEITZ UL press, which I received for free from one very nice guy. who just gave it, and it was an auction on the internet. I bought some other tools, and he sent this one. This one was stuck in the beginning at this position, so I had to add some 556. It's solution oil, and then I could fix this and clean this and actually oil it. Still, it has actually some oil, but it's better to have oil there than not to have oil, because it's important to clean and oil your tools also. It's usually maybe forgotten out there, but to maintain your tools, please disassemble, clean and oil them regularly. Maybe not every day, but just do it, because they're supposed to work. Then you can have them and they will work for many years. So here we have it, and I'm happy to say it works. What I can see, it works good. It has someone like this also. That's good. Then I look forward to use this one as soon as possible when I have a new UL to press. I will try it out in a coming video, perhaps, to show you the results of it. Well, I'm very thankful for receiving this, as I have been, maybe mentioned it before, but I have been trying to win several in auction, and they used to cost pretty much. They used to cost pretty much, especially with these ones, pushers and stuff. However, this is not complete, and some of them is broken, but maybe there's some out there you can buy on eBay maybe. I think this is concludes everything here, and hopefully you will check in soon, and hope you like the video and how I restore this one. Take care, everybody. Thank you.